Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning, select the settings, then scroll down and pick the battery. Here choose battery usage and finally tap on battery saver. Here you can simply activate and deactivate this mode by tapping on battery saver switcher. There is also a possibility to schedule time to switch between modes. Over here you can simply add the start hour, for example, let's pick 8 p.m. and 7 a.m. And between those hours your device will be on the power saving mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.